The journey of Moya Sports started with a very personal incident. I had a sports injury due to which I was bedridden for a very long time, and that gave me an understanding about the challenges that people with disabilities face on a day-to-day basis. But the defining moment of Moya Sports was when I was working in a government school in Bombay. I saw children with disabilities who were there in my classroom getting sidelined. Other children picked on them. They did not have the same opportunities. It affected them socially, emotionally, and academically. That gave me a defining moment for Moya Sports.
Aditya has dedicated nearly a decade to Moya Sports. Based in Gurugram, from piloting programs in 2017, they have empowered hundreds of children with intellectual disabilities, development delays, and physical challenges through play based education. Inspired by his injury and fellowship experiences, Aditya collaborated with special educators, sports experts, and parents to refine a child centric curriculum. Results: 10% gains in motor skills and 15% in aerobic capacity early on. Umuya's play based education equips kids for enriching lives. Inclusion workshops, tournaments, and after school expansions spread joy of sports. One of the girls is Pracheta Pahwa.
Hi, I am Prajita Baba and I have just completed my graduation from Miran House College. My hobbies are watching TV, music, and singing songs.
मैं गुलशन पावा हूँ और मैं परचेता का फादर हूँ। परचेता को अटेक्शिया टेलेंजाइशिया डिसीज़ है और शी इज़ अंडर गोइंग ट्रीटमेंट इन एम्स। और ये जो डिसीज़ है ये प्रोग्रेसिवली डिटीरियोरेटेड डिसीज़ है। इसमें पहले बच्चा चलता है थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन 12-13 साल में या टीन एज में ये व्हील चेयर बाउंड हो जाते हैं बच्चे।
Umuya's 3C philosophy, curriculum, coach, culture, transforms non-verbal kids into confident players. Programs work with 250 plus kids annually, prioritize accessible facilities despite coach shortages.
मेरा नाम कविता भट्ट है और मैं आईपी कॉलेज ड्यू में पैरा एथलीट कोच हूँ और प्रोफेशनली मैं भी एक मिडिल डिस्टेंस रनर हूँ ए बिल्ड में। सो मैं इनको पार्ट टाइम अपनी प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ इन लोगों को कोचिंग देती हूँ।
They have established 5 inclusive, play based learning hubs, blending kids with and without disabilities. In 2025, Umoya Sports brought its inclusive vision to life once more through Agas 2025, an inclusive sports festival held at Maitri College, Delhi, designed for children with diverse disabilities. Agas isn't just a competition, it's a celebration of spirit, movement, and togetherness.
I think so. We need this kind of event to be organized not once in a year,
Right.
very often, and we need to encourage all the government because I don't keep everything that others will come and do for me.
Right.
What we can do for ourselves.
डिसेबिलिटी को उमोया स्पोर्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से छू रहा है और वो भी बहुत निचले स्तर पर, जहाँ पर ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स हैं। तो ये एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त समझ पैदा करता है, एक नई ऊर्जा का संचार करता है एथलीट्स में, डिसेबल लोगों में और उनके पेरेंट्स में। और सही बीजारोपण होगा तभी एक अच्छा पौधा और एक लंबे समय के बाद वृक्ष मिलेगा। उमया ने और भी बहुत सारे डिसेबल स्पोर्ट्स के साथ साथ डिसेबल कोचेज़ के लिए भी प्रोग्राम चलाए जा रहे हैं, जिससे कि एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक, एक लाइवलीहुड का भी प्रोग्राम उमोया जो चला रहा है वो काफ़ी लाजवाब है, काबिल तारीफ़ है। तो इससे सिर्फ हम फिज़िकल लिटरेसी ही नहीं बढ़ा रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ एजुकेशन और कहीं ना कहीं आगे बढ़ते हुए फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट पर भी काफ़ी काम कर रहे हैं।
Partnering with educators, volunteers, and college students, Umoya created a space where 300 plus children from different places came together to play, learn, and shine.
मेरा नाम लोकेश है और मैं उमोया स्पोर्ट्स में सीईओ हूँ। मैं एक पेशे से स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट हूँ और मैं पहले एक एथलीट भी रहा हूँ अपनी पास्ट कैरियर में। पिछले 7 साल से हम उमोया को आगे लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जिसके माध्यम से इंक्लूजन या समावेश लाया जाए, खेल के द्वारा इस कल्चर को डेवलप किया जाए।
The whole purpose of this is to make it inclusive, to have children coming from, all sorts of abilities or disabilities, whatever you may call it. Everybody, there's sports for everyone. And enjoyment in that, you see the joy on people's faces, you see the courage in which they participate. I think there's a big lesson for all of us. I think what Umoya is doing is it's taking away the word privilege from participation in sports for all these children. Right. And that is the learning for us. When I've engaged with Umoya, that's what I've learned from Umoya, that, nothing is impossible. So you're seeing a very difficult situation for a country which has shown apathy. All of us, we're all guilty of showing apathy to a very significant, part of our society who have been seen as, not worthy of sport or whatever. Like you said, it's a privilege for them. Umoya is changing that. Umoya is bringing sport to everyone. It is inclusive, it is involving everyone. And I think over the next 3 to 5 years, as Umoya grows, brings in more and more children, it's not just the children that it's impacting, it's their whole families.
Yeah.
The society in which they're growing up. These children are not a burden, they are a gift to us.
Right.
Because they have more courage than you would see in the average person. And we are seeing that courage on display here.
समाज को, सोसाइटी को ये बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत है कि सभी इक्वल हैं, यहाँ सब बच्चे एक जैसे हैं, और एक सेंसिटाइजेशन आने की ज़रूरत है कि उनमें भी, इन बच्चों में भी उतनी ही क्षमता है जितनी बाकी सब बच्चों में है।
Not just inclusive, but conscious, Umoya Sports champions sustainability by reusing, recycling and repurposing materials, because building an inclusive future also means caring for the planet that unites us all.
Hi, I'm Neha. I work in the space of sustainability. तो अभी हमारा ये इंटेंशन था कि उमोया का भी जो ये इवेंट है आगाज़, जो स्पोर्ट्स फेस्ट है, इसको भी सस्टेनेबल बनाए, बिकॉज if we keep the planet healthy, then only we can keep the athletes healthy. And that's why Umoya decided that this year we will put effort into making their sports fest Aagaaz sustainable.